Hey everybody, A Bissen here. There's some big changes happening in 2022 and I want to keep you guys up to date. They have to do with bank statement loans and of course condominiums, big changes for condominiums as well. So on the bank statement front of things, we've implemented a new artificial intelligence AI module into our pre-qualification process. Long story short, it's using the power of AI to help our underwriters calculate the income a lot faster. Bottom line to you, if you're qualified for this type of loan, you can expect to see a pre-approval and an income calculation within the same day, possibly 24 hours depending upon our workflow. It's a big change. It helps us get faster and more accurate results for our clients than ever before, and it keeps us on the leading edge for this type of loan program in the state of Florida. Also, speaking of bank statement loans, I'm going to be releasing, currently in the process of creating a whole new workshop for bank statement loans to help you guys understand how this loan program works, especially if you're self-employed. We're going to be covering frequently asked questions by business owners just like you who are clients of ours. We often get feedback and we like to incorporate that into a video set. So you be prepared. It's going to be coming here in the next week or so, and it's going to knock your socks off. It's a really great, easy to understand primer on bank statement loans. And then finally, here in the state of Florida, this is our national rollout, but it really affects us because condominiums are in such short supply here in the state of Florida. But the condominium rules are changing through Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. Previously, you were able to do something called a limited review of the condominium. So when you're qualifying, of course, you have to qualify for the loan, but the condominium association does as well. Now, those rules just get a lot more complex, and the condominium has that you're trying to buy actually has a much tighter road ahead of it in order to get qualified. We have all sorts of programs that are going to help you get into a condominium, even if it fails to meet the Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, or even FHA or VA standards. So keep an eye on that. We're going to be having a lot more workshops and other great information on the website unconventionallending.com. Keep an eye and share this with your friends and help grow the channel if you could. Smash that like button and share so more of your friends can get in on this, especially if they're looking to buy a home anywhere in the state of Florida. And as always, thanks for watching. I'm A Bissen, and this is Unconventional Lending. Take care.